Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lava. If you're new to the channel, my name is Vermouth and I post videos on cocktail recipes and alcohol content. I'm sorry I was a bit late in pushing up my videos. I was not there for a while, and well, I'm here back again with some easy cocktails that you can do at home. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do three easy aperitif cocktails that you can do before you have your meal, an appetizer before you have a meal. So without any further ado, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an Americano. Well, it's not a coffee, it's a cocktail, aperitif or appetizer cocktail. So this cocktail is based with sweet vermouth, Campari and soda. The Americano is a gentle introduction to a unique and a bitter taste of a Campari. It is a fascinating drink with a long, rich history. This is an iconic cocktail with a delightful and aperitif that you can enjoy before any meal. The cocktail itself is extremely simple, equal part of the sweet vermouth and the Campari, and poured over the ice with and topped up with soda. So let's get started. Take your rock glass. If you don't have any other glass, you could use it. If you don't have a rock glass, you could use any glass at home. So fill your glass with ice. Add about, I would say, equal parts, that will be at about 30 ml of your Campari. There you go. And add about 30 ml of your sweet vermouth, that would be a Martini Rosso. There you go. And top it up with soda. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's fizzy, guys. Look at that. Looks amazing. So to complete your drink, just use an orange slice or whichever one you have at home. I think I'll just go with the orange slice and just put it in the glass. And cheers. That's your Americano, guys. Enjoy. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a Campari Blossom. It's very easy. You just need two ingredients, a Campari and orange juice. So take your highball glass or any other glass that you have at home, fill it with ice. This is one of the most loved cocktails that everybody loves. So simple, so easy. 1 part of Campari and 3 parts of your orange juice. So let's take 60 ml of your Campari. There you go. And just top it up with your orange juice. It's as simple as that. I have a freshly squeezed orange juice here. There you go. And to complete the drink, garnish it with the orange slice or orange will, whichever one is easy for you. So I think I'll go with the orange will. There you go. And last but not least, don't forget your straw. Cheers, guys. There's a Campari Orange, Campari Blossom, or whichever one you would like to call it. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a Negroni. A Negroni is a cocktail based with 3 simple ingredients, that's sweet vermouth, gin and a Campari. So something about a Negroni is when you're looking for a classic cocktail to enjoy before a meal, a few are very satisfying, which is one of those is a Negroni. It's a sophisticated aperitif featuring equal parts of gin, Campari and a sweet vermouth that anyone can mix. Campari can acquire taste that some people will love while others will not, and let me tell you, I'm one of those who does not love this Campari spirit. But in this cocktail, the sweet vermouth and the herbal gin offsets the Italian spirit bitters, so it's more palatable. This also makes a Negroni drink to use when training your taste buds to enjoy a bitter aperitif. So guys, it's an amazing cocktail. So why not, let's try. Again, take your raw glass, fill it with ice. I think this is one cocktail where you can train to test your buds to a palate where you like something bitter. So let's go with about 30 ml of your Campari. You can do 30 or more according to your preferred preference. 30 of your gin. And 30 of your sweet vermouth, that's a Martini Rosso. Go guys. So that's your Negroni. This cocktail can be either stirred or shaken as long as it's the same. So to complete the drink, I'll use orange peel. I'll just give it a little twist over it. And put it over the glass, and there you go guys. Cheers. That's your Negroni. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, drop me a comment below, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.